This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Once your enrollment is done, now you can actually do the sign in. Okay, sign in is here. You type your username, you type your password, now you sign in. This actually the initial page. You'll be looking at my program, and you'll be actually click the view, and that's actually the welcome to TS4U onboarding. You'll be watching this video. You'll be learning the entire portal, how it works. It is extremely important, very important. The most of the thing, your success actually the hiding on this portal, because this portal is actually we are managing, we are developing, and we are actually in a way that it actually goes with your corporate environment, behavior, and activities. So you have to watch each of the video, take notes on the Google Drive, or you can take the notes here as well. There should not be any problem at all. And that's all. You will be learning all the details. And once we start the bootcamp, of course, I will be going over this video, how the portal functionality work, but I'm not going over now because video is there. Once we start the workshop, July 1st, we'll go over this portal video, very details.